friends, it's Ty with Budget Tools. Today we are going to do our last Build-A-Bank, regular Build-A-Bank before the end of May. I skipped a week. The $25 that I had for last week went towards my 90 days locked in because I had a really gnarly week. I had 2 and 3 robbers popping in per day, which was a little wild. But I did realize before that, my days were going smooth. So I was thinking, where are these robbers in this stack? And they were all kind of at the end, just hanging out, waiting in the cut. So today we are going to try and make a little bit more progress with our May staff meeting. I do have 5 spaces left for my vault. I'm going to go ahead and roll a 6-sided die and actually use the amount, write in the amount that actually comes up on the die, because so far for our staff meeting for May, I have only saved $50, which is odd. Typically I save a little bit more. What I will also do for the self-care is I am going to go ahead and roll dice for these here too, to maximize as much savings as possible, and we will see how that goes. So let's jump in. I am going to recognize the 6-sided die. I'm going to go ahead and roll for these 4 last remaining vault icons. If I was playing according to the instructions and not the low income way, I believe the vault is $11, so it's till 11. That means that each roll is worth $11, each one of these icons. And then what you would typically do is if you roll a 6, then you're going to add 6 times 11, which would be 66. So those are like extremely high stakes. But what I will do is at least roll and see what number I get, and I will add that number. So let's go. So we have a 2, which didn't come out to a ton. So I could, for this one, do a 2 times 11, which would be 22. But I think what I want to do is let's pause on this one right here. This one is complete, so I can actually just move this one to the side because that one is done. But for my self-care challenge, I'm going to go ahead and add funds, start working on this one. So let's do another roll. And that didn't really work out because it didn't land in. Okay, so we have a 6. So let's go ahead and where's my marker? It's right here. So we are going to add $6. $5. Hopefully you guys had a great Memorial Day, if it's something that you celebrated, or if it's just a day off that you had and you had a good time. Let me know what you guys did. We ended up staying home. And like I stated in my cash stuffing video, I wanted to binge content on YouTube. And that is exactly what I did. So let's see what we have here. 6 plus 5 plus another 5 plus 4 is $20. So let's add 20. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. See, these numbers can add up really quick. Let's go ahead and roll for this one here. I'm going to go ahead and put a 6 and add $6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's go again. $3. So 1, 2, and 3. Let's be sure to put our 3 in. 2 more rows for this one before we complete. We have 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And let's see what our last row will give us. A 1. Okay. So now let's add this up. So did I add the $1 over here? Don't know. Okay. So we have $4, 3, 4, 4, 9, and 8. So $32 in total for our vault. And I'm going to pop this over here, and I can check off the vault because that has been complete. And we are going to come back over here to our self-care day, and I am going to, for the remaining ones, I will designate whatever's on the 3-sided die. So let's go. So we've got 3. Wow. Okay, 3. 2. 2. Another 2. 3. 1. We've got 4 more to go. 2. 2. 1. And 3. So $27 is what we're going to add over here. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and $27. Okay, so let's see what we should have over here in total for this one. And then we can put our May staff meeting to bed. We've got 11, 7, plus 5, plus 10, plus 7, 1, 2, 6, 1, and then another 7. So it looks like we should have $57. Let's count this to make sure. 5, 10, well, that's not gonna add it up. So let's do 57. $32 for the vault. So 57 plus 32 plus 14. And then we have $2 and $9. So it looks like $114. Let's count our cash and see if that is what we have. $114. 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 7, 8, 9, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is missing. 11's missing. 11, it came to 114. So I'm going to add $3 that I have here, and that will give us a total of 114 to complete this challenge. So let me just calculate again. 14, 32, 57, and 9, and 2, 114. Okay, so that means that for our May staff meeting, we saved $114. And, you know, it could be more, but I'm okay with that because I have to say, what is it? Cycle 4 has been a little rough on you, girl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Just shy of a clip. So that is it for our Build-A-Bank Wednesday. We completed the May staff meeting, and we will start our June staff meeting next month. So the week after next week in June. Thank you guys for being here. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.